Hey Arnaldo, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to kind of talk about Mencos Landscape, and before I get started, I just want to say a little bit about myself. I enjoy helping people and watching them grow, and it helps me grow. Um, with that, let's get to it. So I took the liberty and I I put in landscaping Santa Fe, New Mexico on the search bar here, and I went down and looked for your site, and you are on the 8th page of Google. Number 76. So let's review your site real quick. And it's a very beautiful site. I really like how you did the picture here, on how everything just pops out, and it looks really, really good. I really love that. I like how the pictures just pop out. Um, and as far as content, I mean, we can use a little bit more on your site. And what Google really looks for is 1,500 words to basically 2,000 words. So let's pull up some content and see what we got. One second. Sorry about that. Now let's plug it into word counter and let's see how many you have. Okay, you got 272 words. Now, like as I just mentioned, Google loves 1,500 words. If you put too much, then it's too spammy. So let's take a quick look at your competitor and see what they're doing here. Now, your competitor is Cassidy Landscaping, and as you can see, they are up here on Google, here on the first page. So let's see. Right here. They are ranked number 2 on the first page of Google. So let's see what they got. Let's see what they got going. We'll do a content on their site as well. Their site looks okay, looks pretty good. Not enough content. As Google loves content, like we mentioned, it's just like a bunch of little bots that scan these pages every day, and they look for that stuff. So let's go ahead and put it in here. Now 271 words. Now they don't have very much either, but as you can see, they're ranking up there in Google. They don't have very much words either. So which brings me to the next thing, which is backlinks. Now all backlinks aren't created equal. I put your site on a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. So now you could purchase this site yourself at no charge, actually a monthly fee. And when I put mencoslandscape.com in this tool that I use, it shows no data, no data. One organic keyword. Now, if I hit your keyword, that's the only keyword tying to your site. So there's not very many backlinks that show people that they can click on you. And so basically, these guys here, Cassidy Landscaping, is taking all your traffic. $47 a click, by the way, 35 organic. They got 188 backlinks, and we have access to all these. Like Cassidy Landscaping, your competitor, I have access to all these, what position they rank, what keywords they're using, and definitely tie it into yours. So that's pretty much it about backlinks. Um, I kind of want to take you into kind of what GMB, it's called Google My Business, what that is. And basically, it's what's called the map pack up here. Now, if you could get on these top 3 slots, that would be wonderful. Now, if you look at one of these, Native Earth Landscaping, they just have content in here, and that's pretty much what helps you get ranked in Google as well, up here in the map pack. Now, down here, gets what we were just discussing gets you ranked organically. So all the organics that we just previously discussed, um, what would rank you up here with these guys. So and then to get you up here would be citations, etc. And there's different citations that these are running. That's why they're up here in the first, second, and third positions up in landscaping Santa Fe, New Mexico. So, uh, Bernardo, I hope this video was helpful to you. You could definitely, this is a free video. You can definitely use this for your own, to your own liking. It's free. Use it for yourself. If you like to do this yourself, by all means. If not, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua Gutierrez at 505-331-7995. And my email is scenicspark, SEO, at gmail.com. That is scenicspark, SEO, at gmail.com. Thank you so much for your time, Ronaldo, and you have a blessed day.